Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can reset your Arc web browser to its factory settings. For example, if your browser has been experiencing performance issues or bugs lately. So resetting it to the factory settings may fix these issues. So let me show you how to do that, guys. All you need to do is access your browser settings here on your home screen of Arc by clicking on that icon here and select settings from that menu here. After that, select the profile you're currently using, so let me go with that one. And after that, select privacy and security here. And what you want to do after that here in your browser settings is head over to that panel on the left hand side and select reset settings here and simply confirm the resetting by clicking on this button here, restore settings to the original defaults. Make sure that you read through that notification here, because once you have done that, guys, this decision will be irreversible. So after that, your Arc web browser will be reset to its factory settings, which means it will disable all installed extensions, reset all the settings and all the shortcuts, and also delete cookies and other temporary site data. However, guys, bookmarks as well as the browsing history as well as saved passwords are not affected by the resetting. So guys, once that's done, once you have read through that notification, click on reset settings here to perform the resetting. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.